Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Taj, and to my returning subscribers, hi, how you guys doing? Thanks for clicking. So I know you guys are here because you saw the thumbnail. We are going to be talking about the Beauty Muse box. This is the box that I received in the mail, and if you can see it right here, it is absolutely stunning. Now, somebody on one of my Facebook BoxyCharm groups mentioned this box, and I decided to take the plunge and go ahead and get it. It's called the Keep It Cute in Quarantine box, and it came with this little brochure pamphlet paper that shows all the items that you might be getting in the box. And what really had me sold was the fact that there's supposed to be a full-size Anastasia palette in here. Now, the box itself went for $30.99 with $8 shipping, but I was also able to get a 15% off coupon, which brought it down to $34.34. And for anybody who knows about Anastasia, the palettes alone are starting at $45, and then we didn't add the tax in. So with further ado, I'm going to open this box and show you guys exactly what I got inside. Okay, so I opened up the box. Now, I just want to let you guys know this is a really sturdy box. If you have long nails, please beware trying to open it. It was hard. Now, the paper that it came with has all the prices and everything, so I'll go over each of them with you. Now, this is the box. Like I said, it came with this little stuff in here to kind of make it look festive. And so the first item I have here is the Creme Shop makeup remover wipes. It's this right here. Now, according to the box, Beauty Muse, this retails for $24. Now, I did not go on each site, I did not search this up online to see if the prices are accurate, so we're gonna go off the paper. So these are $24. I don't really use makeup wipes, but they're good, you know, just to get the hair, the makeup out of your hairline and little things like that. And it comes with 30 in there. So $24 for this. Now, it also came with a free gift that you were able to choose. So I chose the charcoal exfoliating cleansing pad. Now, this does not have a price. It doesn't look like it's something that will be sold by itself because it is kind of small. See that there? Now, let's see what else we have here. I have the Origins Modern Friction Dermabrasion. So it's like a facial dermabrasion product, and this goes for $24.99. I also have the Borghese Splendor Baked Bronzer. Now, I've never heard of this brand, but I did try to Google it, and it came up on like Lord & Taylor and eBay. So I'm guessing this used to be a good brand, or it's an older brand, and they decided to put it in here. Not complaining. This alone said that it's worth $40. I also got the Becca Glam Glow Gloss. This said the retail value is $22. I don't really own much Becca products, so I wouldn't even know if that is accurate or not. I do know that some Becca products are sold at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and you can still find them at Ulta. So that could be the actual price of it. And let's see, what else do we have in here? I will put this down, and the palette came all nicely bubble wrapped, taped up, and we have the Anastasia Subculture palette. Now, this is a true beauty. Look at this. Now, remember, I said the box went for $30.99. So just from, I guess, the makeup wipes and the Origins Microdermabrasion cream, we already paid for the box by itself. And I don't own a ton of Anastasia palettes. I have the Jackie Aina one, which I'm wearing right now, Subculture and Sultry. So just add this now to my list of my palettes. Now, I definitely think this was worth it. I've seen some reviews about the Beauty Muse box, but months ago. I'm not sure if this is something that I will continue purchasing. It is not a subscription, so you will go on the website. If you like what's included, you can go in and purchase it. From what I see, it is not a monthly subscription. Their Instagram looks really legit, and obviously they must be legit because we have some pretty known items in here. Origin, this is not something that you're going to find at the dollar store. So if you guys are interested, I will definitely check it out. Their Instagram is Beauty Muse Box, and I highly recommend it so far. Okay, now if you guys liked what you saw, definitely subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the notification bell and leave in the comments if you have any questions, anything you would like to see. I am subscribed to a plethora of subscription boxes, and I definitely have a lot more unboxing videos coming out for you guys. All right, so like I said, if you liked it, subscribe. Tell me in the comments how you guys are feeling, and I will see you guys soon.